This video is sponsored by Carnivore Companion. Feeling some breakfast this morning. I'm gonna have a ground beef and goat cheese omelet. I was thinking about doing bacon and goat cheese, but cooking bacon in a van kind of sucks, especially when you're cooking this low. It just pops all over your legs and knees and gets grease stains all over your pants. So I'm just gonna get my coffee going first though. I've really got to say the best thing I've done in this van is literally just add this trash can. It's just an old trash can I had at my house before I moved. Found it in the storage unit and thought it was a good idea. And somehow it perfectly fit under my kitchen right here. During a while I use gloves to handle ground meat or raw meat in the van. It just makes it easier. The eggs don't bother me so much as the meat does. So I don't feel like I get my hands as clean after I've handled meat. A little smoked salt for my personal stash. Another pepper one. Oh well. This pan is definitely not as non-stick as it used to be. This is worse things. But at least it'll still be tasty. Ooh, if only I had some chives. The goat cheese kind of emulsified with the still liquidy egg yolks and it made a sauce actually. Alright, that'll do it. If you like the video, give it a like. Subscribe to the channel. See y'all next time. Check out our newly released seasoning steak dust, along with our flagship seasoning smokestack and our bestseller Tuck Collagen. Use the code CCYouTube10 at CarnivoreCompanion.com to save 10% off your first order.